Hi everyone, today I will explain TikTok repost feature and I will show you how to use it. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. First, I will talk about what this feature is. Those who have used Twitter before are familiar with the retweet feature. The repost feature has the same working structure as the retweet feature. Simply you can share a video that another user has uploaded. Before I show you how to use the feature, we check if our TikTok app is up to date. If our application has an update, we make this update. We updated our application, now we open TikTok to use the repost feature. As you can see, this video has been reposted by people I follow. If we want to repost this video, we click on the icon on the right. Then click on repost. While reposting, we can also write comments if we want. Our comment has been added. If we repost without adding comments, it will appear like this in the comments section of the video we reposted. To undo this action, we click the icon on the right again and click remove repost. If we wrote a comment while reposting, it also deletes our comment. As you can see, the video we repost has been removed. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.